Vienna is a city that feels like a living museum, where imperial history and a vibrant modern soul exist in perfect harmony. Widely regarded as one of the world's most beautiful cities, it offers a sensory feast of Baroque architecture, world-class music, and a legendary coffeehouse culture. Vienna is a city of many layers: imperial heritage, avant-garde art, and a heartbeat that hasn't slowed down for centuries. And right here, on Wiener Hauptstrasse, sits a piece of that story: Hotel Wien. Established in 1808, this hotel began as a hub for travelers. It has witnessed the city's transformation from an empire to a modern cultural capital. And that heritage is etched into every stone of its foundation. Nestled between the historic First District and the trendy Leopoldstadt, Hotel Wien is steps away from the iconic Prater Park. While everyone knows the giant Ferris wheel, we recommend a stroll to the local market to experience a sensory explosion of organic Austrian cheeses, fresh blooms, and the best artisan coffee in the city. After a day of exploring, when you stay at Hotel Wien, you aren't just a tourist, you're a neighbor. Staying at Hotel Wien will make you feel completely at home. Their rooms strike a balance between classic Viennese elegance and smart, modern functionality. From their cozy single rooms for solo adventurers to expansive family suites, every space is designed with Gemütlichkeit, that unique Austrian feeling of warmth and coziness. You cannot experience Vienna without tasting it. The hotel serves a rich breakfast buffet, which is loved by their guests. They know what the modern traveler looks for, and they offer everything that will make your stay comfortable. Vienna is a city that stays with you forever, and when you stay at Hotel Wien, they make sure that those memories are built on comfort, flavor, and authentic history. Book your Viennese story today